serve a summons on me again, see? And you too, Woodpecker.
Hey, Woodpecker, come here. How'd you like to make a fast buck, son?
Okay, Charlie.
To serve this summons on Buzz Buzzard.
It's a deal, pal. Where's Buzz Buzzard?
Arm, Buzz Buzzard. Want to make something out of it?
For you, cutie pie.
Ah, this is touching. Aye. Will you just wait for an answer, sir?
Sure.
There's something going on around here. I must be going nuts.
Hypnotism. Influence others and be their master. Oh, he tried that before. I'll try it on the guy. You are hypnotized. It works. Take this summons. You are asleep. Ain't I a stinker? You're a dog. You are a monkey. Now you're a woodpecker. I am your master.
Yes, master.
You must protect me at all times. You must protect me at all times. your man.
And here's your first bug, son.
Court summons to Woody Woodpecker for practicing hypnotism out of season.